In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. Begin by opening settings and hitting sound and vibration right away. Now you can click on vibrate at the top in the middle. And this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also select sound on the left and click on this switcher next to vibrate while ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you finished, scroll down. Now tap on call vibration and adjust haptic feedback for your incoming calls by selecting one of those patterns, hitting silent, or adjusting intensity of call vibrations by swiping left or right on this slider. When you're ready, go back, tap on notification vibration and do exactly the same, but this time for your notifications. Go back again, hit system vibration and adjust intensity of haptic feedback for system options by operating this slider at the top. Then tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. Lastly, after going back, select vibration intensity and adjust intensity of haptic feedback for calls, notifications, system options, and media, thanks to all of those sliders. Then click on this switcher next to vibration sound for incoming calls to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!